Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use smart panel and change the position of the smart panel and how to turn off smart panel in Infinix Note 50 series smartphone. Now I have Infinix Note 50X here. You can use the same settings in the Infinix Note 50S2. For that, you need to navigate into the settings, then choose special function here, then click on the smart panel. Now you can see the smart panel settings here. So in default, if your phone disabled smart panel, you can enable from here. So otherwise, you can move to the normal screen. In the top right side, you can see some bar. So this one is a smart panel. You need to pull out from here. You need to swipe left like this. Now you can see the smart panel. You can see the recent images, documents, and you can easily set the quick applications here. Also, you can change the edit. You can add applications, or you can use any other settings like lock the screen or floating window or any other settings you can add from here. Also, you can take screenshot also. It's a very useful feature. So if you want to change the location of the smart panel, you need to open like this. Now you need to click and hold this bar. Now you can move anywhere. So if you want to move here, you need to drag and drop here. Now the smart panel located here, you can use from here. If you want to disable the smart panel, you can simply go to the settings again. Otherwise, you can directly go to the edit option too. Click on edit and choose settings. Then disable the smart panel. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.